Hey Scorpio, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please only take the messages if they resonate. To all my subscribers, hey y'all. And if you're new to my channel, hey. Hopefully you guys are having a good day today, Scorpio. We're gonna go right into the reading on what's going on between you and your person of interest. So what's going on between Scorpio and their person of interest here? Scorpio and their person of interest. We have old school, outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. So you or this person, Scorpio, y'all could be replaying what has taken place between you and them here. Somebody got an outdated way of thinking how something should be or how it go, but it's like somebody's definitely in their head on rewind, replay, pause, and keep going. But it's like someone needs to let something go. What is Scorpio thoughts about this connection? So what is Scorpio's thoughts about this connection? Scorpio thoughts. Your thoughts is there may need to be some grounding here. Someone needs to provide some type of stability or security here. Someone needs to put in the work, take action. It's like their performance could need some work here. There's some type of growth and endurance that is needed. It's like you could feel like somebody overly depends on you, Scorpio. What is Scorpio's person of interest thoughts on this connection? What is Scorpio's person's thoughts on this connection? We have healing heart. So this person's thoughts on this connection here, Scorpio, it could be that they're focusing on healing from heartbreak, any type of toxicity that may have occurred in the relationship, any addictions that they may have as well, especially if this was an abusive relationship. Somebody wants to heal from this. When it comes to stability and security, someone could have some type of outdated way of thinking about who's supposed to provide the stability and the security in a relationship. And this person could be replaying the toxicity of the events in their head over and over again. What does Scorpio want from this person of interest? What does Scorpio want from this person of interest? You want somebody to look in the mirror, Scorpio? Somebody could be a narcissist. They could love bomb you. Someone could be very one-sided or self-absorbed. I'm going to take one more. And you feel like they need to change or transform here. There's some type of evolving and growth that is needed. Someone needs to get into the next phase. Someone needs to heal any childhood wounds here and releasing whatever has happened in the past to let it go. Especially if this was some type of toxicity, or if they had an addiction, or if this was some type of abusive relationship. You want this person to release their past or the past. So no matter how it may be, this is what they need to do, is evolve. What does Scorpio person of interest want from Scorpio? What is Scorpio person of interest want? Scorpio, they want a separation from you. It's a lot of sadness, a lot of bitterness. They do miss you and they think about you, but they uncertain about the future, because it's like they feel hurt, they're still healing. There's some things they need to change here, especially if they were facing some type of addictions here, or if they were abusive in this relationship. But it's almost like they're uncertain about how things is going to play out, or what needs to take place. But right now it's just they want a separation. What is the likely outcome of Scorpio and this person of interest? What is the likely outcome between Scorpio and this person of interest? Okay. We have healthy choices. We have wedding rings. And we have picture. So Scorpio, with this right here, it's like someone is going to focus on self-love and self-care and being happier, understanding what love is and living their life and making better choices, especially like I said, if there was a lot of toxicity here, a lot of healing that needed to be done, if they were having some type of addiction here, it's like this person needs to focus on self-care and self-love. Right here, you know, the outcome could be that there is some type of union between you and this person. Y'all could have some type of soul connection. Someone feels very devoted to you, or vice versa. But there's an everlasting love between you two. There could honestly be a possible marriage here once this person go through whatever healing phase this may be. Someone is definitely reminiscing here when it comes to missing you. They have a lot of nostalgia. They want to make new memories, so that's why they want to be more devoted. But it's like they need time to heal, and they feel like the separation for you two is the best thing for the relationship. All right, so Scorpio, we're gonna see what's this all about. I grabbed the wrong ones. All right, what's going on between Scorpio and their person of interest? What's going on between Scorpio and their person of interest? What is honesty? We have releasing ruins. From shattered pieces, gather strength to rebuild what was once broken. Yeah, somebody has to let go of this outdated thinking, any kind of conditioning that been programmed towards them. And they need to let go of replaying these events over in their head right here. So they need to gather the strength to rebuild and heal here. What is Scorpio's thoughts about this connection? You have strong roots on grounding here. Pull the weeds of resentment so your love can bloom. It's like you could resented this person, Scorpio, especially if you feel like you carried the burden of the relationship. It's basically saying let it go. There may be some grounding that may be needed. You could have felt like this person was overly codependent on you and your energy here. But basically it's saying like once you pull the weeds out, get to the bottom of what the underlying issue is, let go of the resentment so that your love can bloom. And that's so that your love can grow and you have the endurance to move forward if that's what you choose to do. What is Scorpio's person of interest? Thoughts on this connection? What is Scorpio person of interest? Thoughts on this connection? What is healing heart? They have laid to rest. We're on top of healing heart here. It says, let go of lingering disputes and making peace together. So yeah, Scorpio, they focusing on healing this heartbreak, toxicity, any addictions, any abusive parts of the relationship. And it doesn't have to be physical abuse. It could have been arguments. It could have been disagreements. It could have been whatever. It doesn't necessarily. It could have been financially, or what have you. It could have been emotionally. But here is just like, let go of lingering disputes to make peace together. So somebody definitely needs to focus on healing their heart here. They feel like you should lay something to rest, Scorpio, basically. What does Scorpio want from this person of interest? We have liberated path. Embrace freedom as you break through, taking steps towards your true potential. Yeah, so basically there's some evolving and growth that's here. It's like someone needs to move on to the next phase, healing any type of traumas or childhood wounds here. It's like they need to release their past in order to see the true potential of possibly the relationship, as well as letting go of this narcissistic behaviors or one-sided love here, or self-absorption. It's like, is that really your true potential, or you can change from this behavior? So you basically want them to take a chance to become a better version of themselves. All right, what does Scorpio want from this person of interest? What does Scorpio want from this person of interest? Oh, I meant to say, what does the person want, but emptiness, echoes, and absence. Fill the lonely spaces, yearning for comfort and presence. So within this separation, this person, yeah, it may be like some type of bitterness, sadness here. There's some type of missing you, Scorpio, thinking about you. They're uncertain here, but it's like now that you're not around, they can kind of feel the energy of you're not being around, the things that you used to do, y'all conversations, just being a part of your life here, Scorpio. So it's almost like they could be yearning for you to comfort them. They miss your presence here, especially while you guys are in this separation. It's like they still love here, but it's just like maybe you guys, like I said, this person needs to heal. What is the likely outcome of Scorpio in this person of interest? Healthy choices, wedding rings, and a picture. We have Healing Mirage. See through the illusions, navigate dangers, find solace and therapy guidance. So yeah, there's some healing that needs to be done. May need to seek counsel before you guys even think about getting married, like go through a marriage counseling or what have you, if that's what you guys choose to do. But there is some therapy that may be needed, counseling, especially if someone is having some type of addictions here. All right, Scorpio. I need more time. This love scares me. So they giving you some type of information, or you will receive some type of information. We have the 411. So 4 and 11 could be significant. Okay, we have, I would do anything for you. Number 10 can be significant. And then we have a sword here. The Ace of Swords. One could be significant here. So basically with this, it could be some type of breakthrough when it comes to this relationship, some type of success, some type of truth, some type of action. There could be a lot of passion between you and this person, Scorpio. It says, do you even care? Maybe. And it says, seek professional advice. Yeah. Especially when it comes to dealing with this person, and especially if you're still going through a healing phase yourself. It's like, it's maybe just best for you guys to just be in separation, to work on your individual goals outside of each other in order to learn and grow. It says, I meant what I said. It says, if I ask you to stay, would you leave? And someone says, be more selfish here. Now, let's see what signs may come out for Scorpio. First thing out is a Cancer rising, possibly. Cancer moon. We have Aries. Aries love coming out, don't they? And then we got Leo. And we have a Taurus. So this person could have these placements in their moon sign, or this could be their rising sign here. So fire signs, water, and an earth sign. So something about June could be significant. July. Sunday. Sunday. Wednesday. So that could be significant for you, Scorpio. Hope you guys enjoyed the read. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, Scorpio.